Here is the new Needoh nice-sicle. This is a little popsicle squishy. And you can see that it is filled with that thick gel, kind of like in the nice cubes. These are cute because they look like a little popsicle. And they have this little stick that is flexible. It also comes in different colors, and you can see it's kind of like a gradient of colors.